Sup, bro? It's your brother Duty, and today I want to do a quick review of the Seneo wireless 2-in-1 charging pad for the iWatch and whatever phone you got. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Alrighty, so what do you get? You get the Seneo wireless charging pad. Basically, it's this. It's got a pretty good quality. It's made out of plastic, of course. All of it is plastic, but it's strong plastic. It doesn't bend when I try to do anything to it. So it's got a pretty good weight to it. It's not super heavy, but it'll stay wherever you put it. And it's got little pads at the bottom to help it grab some grip. So it's pretty good. It's got some grip pads here too, so whenever you put your phone on there, it won't be sliding all over the place. That'll also allow you to aim your phone at the right place. And then the most important part, at least for me, I think, for the charging of the watch, this comes off, makes it super easy, super convenient to put the head of your cable on here, your watch cable, slide it in through that little hole. You can open over here the back, curl it up in there. It's got a USB port in there, so you're able to connect your USB port in there, and boom, you got everything set up for you to be able, and then just put this right back here, sorry, for you to be able to charge both of your devices on this one little pad. It's pretty good. It also comes with this one long USB cable, not long, sorry, pretty short actually, USB cable. I'm gonna show you the whole width of it. It is maybe 2.5 feet long, maybe 3 feet. That's the whole thing. It is about 3 feet long if I were to judge it like that. So that's all you get. That's what comes in the box, just these two things. Then what you need to do is you got to make sure you have a QC 3.0 charger. You see that right there, perfect. QC 3.0 charger that'll ensure that you are able to fast charge with this charger. It'll make everything work just as smooth. All right, pros. It is very convenient. It will work with almost every single phone case you can think of. I have an OtterBox with a pop socket on it, and it's able to charge right through it without any hiccups. As long as I align it right in the middle, I see the little Thunderbolt on the iPhone light up, and boom, I know it's charging. I've tried it with life proofs. I've tried it with some off-brand cases that some of my family members had. I've tried it with a lot of different things, and it works really well with almost any case you put on it. It holds your watch in a perfect place. It's got that little plastic in there that you can, like, it's 3M tape that you can tape to the back. I never taped it. I've been using this for about a month. I've never taped it on there because I think it's just better to leave it there. It serves this purpose. The head of this charger kind of fits in really snug in there, so it's really good at holding it in. It is fast charging for your watch, for your phone, but not for your watch. And you can also charge your headphones on here, so you can put your AirPods and then just slap them on there, and they should charge wirelessly as long as they're Q8 enabled. This one works for everything on the iPhone 8 and above, and some Android devices, all the QC 3.0 enabled devices that Android has. Cons about this: it is made out of plastic. It does feel kind of cheap to the touch. It has really good, like I said, handling. Really, I don't see much except for this cable. I do not like this cable. It is super short, but it is just a micro USB cable. So if you have a good high quality micro USB cable that is like 5, maybe 6 feet long, and you can actually get it to connect on here, or you can just buy one that is good quality, high 6-foot cable, is the only thing that I would recommend to change. That way you can connect it somewhere where it's a little bit more convenient. This kind of has to be very close to a wall outlet or very close to a computer or something like that. But for a desk, something to put on your desk to charge your phone, charge your watch while you're sitting there quick, while doing some work, doing some homework, doing some just kind of being a little bit productive. You're like, oh, let me charge, make sure my phone stays charged, make sure my watch stays charged. It is a great little item to try out, and I definitely do recommend it, especially if the case is what I just explained with you guys. I give it a 7.5, maybe an 8 out of 10. Overall, I don't have a lot of complaints. I've been using it for a month now, and I really like it. So go ahead and pick yourself one up. I will leave a link down in the description to where you can get one on Amazon for $20. And you can also get one that is standing. So basically it's the same exact product we're seeing here, except here it's got a little it's not a little kickstand, it's like a little rest board, so you're able to put your phone tilted upwards. It costs maybe $7 more. I will also leave a link down in the description below if you want to get it. I think it's a very good product, definitely worth the $20 to $25 you're going to spend on it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did and you bought this product, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys pretty soon here. I hope you guys enjoyed.